Right?
Yeah.
Will there be any risk to the accident during the construction operation project? Which no. You say no.
Yes.
No?
Why?
Yes. Will there risk to accident during the construction operation project?
Construction accidents. Be there.
Refer to accident and
Refer to Egypt. Correct.
All these occupational health is human health, so it is
Are there factors should be considered in the consequential development which could lead to the environmental impact potential community? No. Impact rising from the construction, we can put the same thing. Are there any area around the location which could protect the no?
how you know there is an area is protected area, there is any protected
It's
area?
not additional project, it's a part of existing.
No, not this is part of concern area. The project site is an concern that we put it.
Yeah. Which one? You're taking this one?
Yeah. That's
Are there any area around location? It is not protected area, no?
No, that's why we have to know, but why it is because we are in concern area. In concern area, there is no protected area actually.
Part of AD concession area, right? Are there area around the location sensitive? No.
Yeah, then what we do the con.
We have wetlands.
Sorry?
The wetlands. You see, for example, wetlands. This is wetland, right? It is covering with wetland.
Give me an example. It is give an example.
Very small area. Sometimes this as for the.
But it is not a protected wetland or any sensitive wetland. It's just waterlogging because due to the high tides and all.
Yeah.
No, you cannot. So there is a wetland, but it's not protected wetland. It is
Yeah.
Or
you can put in the remark, the areas, there are some area is wetland because we are, but it is not protected.
So we are seeing a part of concession area only.
No, concern is there, but still we are a wetland is there. This is a word. Reason for ecology, for example, wetlands. Wetland is there. We have wetlands and other water bodies within our project site. But thing is, it is not protected sort of wetland.
Okay, so-
where you have the
It's not protected or it's not sensitive.
It is not sensitive and protected.
Yeah.
You can put that.
I want to say?
Wetland and water bodies are not protected and sensitive or not sensitive. Wetland and water bodies within project sites